What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Guys, this bike has I think 11 or 1900 miles on it. It's in good shape. It's got a scratch right there. The exhaust is in good shape. Tank is in good shape. It's got a couple of scratches down there. Scratch on the top of the fender. Tire has plenty of tread on it. Couple scratches right there. Right there. This bike's in really good shape though. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys this. 1935 miles on it. It runs perfect. Like I said guys, 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Guys, this bike runs awesome. It's in great shape. It will not last long. But thanks a ton for watching. Make sure to let me know if it's something you're interested in.